and DVDs is that you can take it along with you. It can be in your briefcase, it can be in your suitcase, it can be in your car, it can be in your home, it can be on your person. These CDs and videos, in whichever form you store it, either you store it in your laptop or you store it in your pen drive or you store it in your mobile. Each of this is a handy mechanism to ultimately surmount the difficulties of life. Life is full about challenges, difficulties, agonies, pain, distress, and all kinds of challenges that are there. On a minute-to-minute basis, how do you keep yourself inspired? On an hour-to-hour basis, how do you transform yourself? On a day-to-day basis, how do you bring about upgradation in yourself? The challenge, therefore, is that one cannot create all the knowledge for oneself. And therefore, the masters of this world have kept all the knowledge stored either in books or audios or videos. Now, this storage and the wisdom that is there in this storage is for all of us to maximize, exploit, use, and solve our problems, solve many of our problems. A large number of people have communication problems. A large number of people don't have people following them. And as it is rightly said, a leader is someone you choose to follow to a place where you wouldn't go by yourself. So there is a large number of people who want to go to some place and achieve something great in life, but they don't know the way. They just don't have the path. They just don't have the inspiration. They just don't have the motivation. So the audios, which are very handy with you in your pen drive, in your laptop, in your phone, comes handy on a regular basis. The most wise people, therefore, capture the essence of these tools that are available, because each of these tools will bring about the achievements in your life which you are desperate for. A large number of people want to achieve a large amount of things. Somebody wants to earn fame, name, money, recognition, but they just don't do those things that needs them to be done. Needs to be done for getting that recognition. Everybody wants recognition, everybody wants the money, everybody wants the position, but if nobody is ready to make the effort, and nobody is ready to pay the price. Zig Ziglar, the great motivational guru and sales guru, said you got to pay the price. You got to pay the price, and if you are ready to pay the price, you will be in a position to achieve greatness in life. And how do you pay the price is what all these audios and videos are all about. So please go into the details of each of this video. Each of this video will give you another insight which you never had before, and that will help you to master life. Because life, these are all, this adds to your life skills. All the audios adds to your life skills. And every time that you have better skills, you do your job faster. Every time you have a better attitude, you do your job faster. Every time you have a better habit, you do your job faster. Every time you have a better strategy, you do your job faster. Every time you have a better habit, you do your job faster. So it's all about knowledge, attitude, skills, habits and strategies. Each of this will help you to become faster, better, newer and different. And that is what life is all about, being new, being different and being better all the time. Everybody should see you in a new light, in a new way, all the time, every time, throughout your lifetime. All the very best, and thank you very much.